Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today, we will learn vocabulary, starting with the letter D through examples and easy-to-understand sentences. Let's get started. D. Dance. Dance. They like to dance at the party. D. Deer. Deer. The deer is eating grass. D. Dragon. Dragon. The dragon is breathing fire. D. Donkey. Donkey. The donkey is carrying bags. D. Doll. Doll. The little girl loves her doll. D. Dolphin. Dolphin. The dolphin jumps in the sea. D. Duck. Duck. The duck is swimming in the pond. D. Day. Day. Today is a sunny day. D. Doctor. Doctor. The doctor helps sick people. D. Dog. Dog. The dog is running in the park. D. Driver. Driver. The driver stopped the bus safely. D. Dinner. Dinner. We had pizza for dinner. D. Diamond. Diamond. The ring has a shiny diamond. D. Dish. Dish. That dish tastes delicious. D. Drawer. Drawer. I keep my socks in the drawer. D. Dessert. Dessert. The desert is very hot and dry. D. Drop. Drop. A drop of rain fell on my hand. D. deep, deep. The water here is very deep. D. Dance floor, dance floor. Many people are on the dance floor. D. Diary, diary. She writes in her diary every night. D. Duckling, duckling. The duckling follows its mother. D. Dust, dust. There is dust on the table. D. Dark, dark. It gets dark at 7 p.m. D. Delicious, delicious. The cake is very delicious. D. Direct, direct. He will direct the new movie. D. Danger, danger. Don't go there. It's full of danger. D. Dress, dress. She is wearing a red dress. D. Dream, dream. I had a funny dream last night. D. Drink, drink. I want to drink some water. D. Desk, desk. I put my books on the desk. D. Door, door. She opened the door slowly.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.